आप सबका बहुत मेरे चैनल में। आज हम आपको बताएंगे मैथ एनसीईआरटी क्लास 10th सीबीएसई बोर्ड।
So let's draw this tower. This is a tower. A man is standing on the top of the tower. So let us have a man standing at the top of the tower. There is a car, and this guy observes the car. The angle of dispersion is 30 degree now. That is, this you draw horizontal line. This angle is 30 degree. Now the car is approaching toward the tower with a uniform speed. This car will move from here to this tower. So let's suppose this car move from this point to this point. So this is t is equal to 0 and this is t is equal to 6 seconds. The car moved from here to here. Now the angle of dispersion became 60 degree. So this angle became 60 degree. The question is, at what time t is equal to k, at what time or how much time the car will take to reach this point, the tower, foot of the tower. So let's first draw the triangle. So this is my triangle. So once I have my triangle, let me name this triangle A, B, C, C, and this point is, let's choose D. So this angle is 60, so this angle will also become 60. So this angle is 30, this angle will also become 30. So we are told that from this point to this point it took 6 seconds. So we have to find how much time it takes from this side to this point. To find that, first we have to find the distance between B and C. Correct. Only then we can find the distance between B and C, distance BC. Then only we can tell that from this point to this time it took this per second. So from this point to this point it took this per second. Correct. So what we can do now? So let's assume the height of the tower be x. And now let's find CD and BC in terms of x. So what we'll do? We'll take first this triangle, triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, same thing we'll do here. C is the frame of reference angle, so this is height, this is perpendicular, this is base. So I'm dealing with perpendicular and base now. So we'll use this Pandit Badri Prashad, Hare Hare Bol, P and B. P and B is tan, so we're looking for tan. So we'll say tan 60 degree is equal to P by B. Here P is nothing but AB and base is nothing but BC. And this is nothing but x by BC. And tan 60 is nothing but root 3. So we'll get BC is nothing but x by root 3. This is the value of BC, that is x by root 3. Correct? Now same thing in triangle, bigger triangle, ABD. Instead of C it is ABD now. So we have 30 degree here, same thing P and B, so we'll use tan here. So we'll say tan 30 degree will be equal to P by B. So in this case perpendicular is AB, but the base is instead of BC it will BD. Correct? And that is nothing but AB is x by BD. So this is BD. BD till this point. And tan that is nothing but 1 by root 3. So we'll get BD is nothing but x root 3. Correct? So we got BD as x root 3. We have got these two equations. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. And the distance travelled by the car is DC. So DC is nothing but BD minus BC. That is x root 3 minus x by root 3. So we solve this, this becomes x into root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Solve this, this becomes x into root 3 into root 3 is 3 minus 1 by root 3, that is 2x by root 3. This is the distance travelled by car. See, so to travel, so I say to travel, or we can find the speed of the car. See, distance traveled is 2x by root 3. Time taken is how much? 6 seconds. Speed is equal to distance by time, that is 2x by root 3 by 6. This is meter per second is the speed of the car. Speed of the car is 2x by 3 into 1 by 6 meter per second. Now we have the speed of the car. We have to find how much time it will take to travel BC. Right? So distance is equal to speed into time, or time is equal to distance by time is equal to distance by speed. So you have to find the time it takes to reach from C to B. So here the distance is x by root 3 and the speed is this much, 2x root 3 into 6. X cancel, root 3 cancel, 2 and 6, 3 common. So this becomes 3 seconds. So it takes 3 seconds for the car to reach the foot of the tower. Simple. What we have done? We have found this distance traveled by the car. We were told that the time it took is 6 seconds. We found the speed of the car. We have the speed of the car. We know that the distance from this current position to the foot of the tower is x root 3. We know distance, we have speed, we found the time it took. That is 3 seconds. Let's take one more last problem. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from 2 points at a distance 4 and 9 meters from the base of the tower in the same height line with our complement. Prove that the height of the tower is 6 meters. This is the tower. There are 2 points, 4 and 9 meters from the base of the tower, and the angle of elevation actually. So this angle and this angle, if you see, if this angle is theta, this angle is 90 minus theta. The question says the sum of the angle is 90 degree, and we have to prove that the height of the tower is 6 meters. Let's draw the triangle first. This is my triangle. Let the height be x. We will prove the x be 6 meters. So we will say let height of tower be x. Now the distance here is, this is 4 and this is 9 actually. The big one is 9. So we will say A, B, C, D. Correct? So we are told that in first case, if you see, tan theta is equal to x by 4, because in triangle ABC, the sides we are dealing with this will be perpendicular because this is the theta, frame of reference, perpendicular and base. So Pandit Badri Prasad, Hari Bol, perpendicular and base, we will deal with tan theta. So we will say tan theta is equal to P by B, and here P is AB and B is BC, that is x by 4. So I got tan theta is equal to x by 4. The next equation I get in triangle ABD, same thing, we are dealing with height x and this one, base, I will say tan of theta, angle here is 90 minus theta, tan of 90 minus theta is equal to P by B. Here P is AB and B is BD, that is x by 9, and tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. We have learned this. So now I have two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. Equation 1 say tan theta is equal to x by 4, and equation 2 is cot theta is equal to x by 9. We will multiply these two. We will get tan theta into cot theta. Tan theta is x by 4 and cot theta is equal to x by 9. Tan theta and cot theta is equal to 1 we know is equal to x square by 36, or we get x is equal to root 36, that is plus minus 6. Since we are talking about distance, we can ignore the negative part. So x is equal to positive 6. So the height of the tower is 6 meters. Correct? What we have done, we found tan theta, we found cot theta, and then we use this relation tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1, and we got the answer. Thank you. Visit examfear.com to